Elephants. Elephants are the largest existing land animal. Rabbit. Rabbits known as the small mammals. Duck. Duck is the common name for numerous species of waterfowl. Unicorn. The unicorn is a legendary. Turtle. Turtles are an order of reptiles. Sheep. Sheep are domestic ruminant mammals typically kept as a livestock. Fish. Fish are aquatic, corneate, gill-bearing animal. Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse is an animated cartoon character. Frog. A frog is any member of a diverse and largely carnivorous group. Rhinoceros. A rhinoceros, commonly abbreviated to rhino. Bee. Bees are insects related to wasps and ants. Hen. A female bird, especially of a domestic fowl.
Soccer.
Cow. Cow in the common parlance, cloven-hoofed and herbivores. Donkey. Donkey is a hoofed mammal, the same family as the horse. Horse. The horse is domesticated, one-toed, hoofed mammal. Goat. The goat is a member of the animal family. Peacock. Male peafowl are referred to as peacocks.
Yahoo!
Sheep. Sheep are the members of the order Articodactyla. Duckling. Frog. Duckling. Owl. Domestic duck. Bee. Penguin. Daisy Duck cartoon character. Sheep. Cat. Boat. Elephant. Snail. Turtle. Rooster. Minnie Mouse. Turtle. Owl. Frog. Goldfish. Bear. Puppy. Pig. Dog. Frog. Lion. Rooster. Penguin. Rhino. Duckling. Elephant. Clownfish. Frog. Duck. Minnie Mouse. Rabbit. Boats. Elephants. Elephants are the largest existing land animal. Rabbit. Rabbits known as the small mammals. Duck. Duck is the common name for numerous species of waterfowl. Unicorn. The unicorn is a legendary. Turtle. Turtles are an order of reptiles. Sheep. Sheep are domestic ruminant mammals typically kept as a livestock. Fish. Fish are aquatic carnivore gill-bearing animal. Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse is an animated cartoon character. Frog. A frog is any member of a diverse and largely carnivorous group. Rhinoceros. A rhinoceros, commonly abbreviated to rhino. Bee. Bees are insects related to wasps and ants.
Duck.
Uh-oh.
Rabbit.
Uh-oh. Yes.
Zebra.
Uh-oh.
Bighorn sheep.
Uh-oh. Wow.
goat,
Uh-oh. Yes.
horse,
Uh-oh.
giraffe,
Uh-oh.
horse,
Uh-oh.
Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs are a diverse group of reptiles of the clade Dinosauria. Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus is a genus of spinosaurid dinosaur. Tiger. The tiger is the largest living cat species and a member of the genus Panthera. Boat. A boat is a watercraft of large living range of the types and sizes. Zebra. Zebras are African equines with distinctive black and white striped coats. Front end loader. Loader is a heavy equipment machine used in construction. Puppy. A puppy is a juvenile dog. Fish. Fish are aquatic conidate gill-bearing animal. Hippo. Hippopotamus are large semi-aquatic mammal. Horse. The horse is a domesticated one-toed hoofed mammal. Sheep. Sheep or domestic sheep are domesticated ruminant mammal. Giraffe. The giraffe is a large African hoofed mammal. Elephant. Elephant are largest extincting land animal. Duck. Duck is the common name for numerous species. Dog. Called a domestic dog, the modern wolf is the dog's nearest living relative. Police car. A police car is a ground vehicle used by police and law. Shark. Sharks are a group of elasmobranch fish. Beetle. Beetles are insects that form the orders Coleoptera. Turtle. Turtles are an order of reptiles. Frog. A frog is any member of a diverse and largely. Penguin. Penguins are a group of aquatic flightless birds. Garbage truck. A garbage truck specially designed to collect municipal waste. Bee. Bees are winged insects closely related to wasps and ants. Bear. Deer are mammals that belong to the family Ursidae. Alligator. Alligators are large reptiles and a member of the order Crocodilia. Lion. The lion is a large cat of the genus Panthera. Insects. Insects are animals that have roamed the earth. Spider. Air-breathing arthropods. Pig. The pig, often called swine. Motorcycle. A motorcycle is a two-motor vehicle. Rhinoceros, commonly abbreviated to rhino. Turtle. Turtle are an order of reptiles. Fish. Corneate, gill-bearing animal. Alligator. Alligators are large reptiles. Cow. The cow is a domestic animal. Frog. A frog is any member of a diverse and largely. Rooster. The chicken is a domesticated. Monkey. That may refer to most mammals. Penguins. Penguins are a group of aquatic flightless birds. Owl. Owls are birds from the order. Horse is a domesticated one-toed hoofed mammal. Starfish. Echinoderms belong in. Boat. A boat is a watercraft of a large range of type and sizes. Bear. Bear are mammals that belong to the family Ursidae. Garbage truck. A garbage truck specially designed to collect municipal solid waste. Hippo. Hippopotamus are large semi-aquatic mammal. Dinosaurs. are a diverse group of reptiles of the clade Dinosauria. Lion. The lion is a large cat of genus Panthera. Fish are aquatic corneate gill-bearing animal. Shark. Shark are a superorder of fish. Rooster. The chicken is a domesticated jungle-fowl species. Tanker truck. A tank truck, gas, or a tanker is a motor vehicle. Frog. A frog is any member of a diverse. Tortoise. Tortoise are reptiles of the family. Dog. The dog is a domesticated descendant of the wolf. Giraffe. The giraffe is a large African hoofed mammal. Zebra. Zebras are African equines with distinctive black and white striped coats. Raker truck. A tow truck is a truck used to move disabled. Reindeer. The reindeer or caribou is a species of deer with the circumpolar. Bear. Bears are mammals that belong to the family Ursidae. Penguins. Penguins are a group of aquatic flightless birds. Monkey. Monkey is a common name that may refer to most mammals. Duck. Duck is the common name for numerous species of waterfowl. Fox. Foxes are small to medium-sized omnivorous mammals. Cheetah. The cheetah is a large cat. Turtle. Turtle are an order of reptiles. Cow. The cow is a domestic animal. Cat. The cat is a domestic species of small carnivorous mammal. Alligator. Alligators are large reptiles and a member of the order Crocodilia. Panda. The panda is a bear species. Monkey. Duckling. Goldfish. Bee. Rabbit. Tortoise. Alligators. Monkey. Allosaurus dinosaur. Alligators. Goldfish. Allosaurus dinosaur. Monkey. alligators, tortoise, rabbit, bee, honeybee. A honeybee is a eusocial flying insect with the genus Apis of the bee clade. Beetle. Beetles are insects that form the order Coleoptera in the superorder. Dragonfly. A dragonfly is a flying insect belonging to the infraorder Anisoptera below the order Odonata. Wasp. A wasp is any insect of narrow-waisted suborder Apocrita of the order Hymenoptera. Canvasback. The canvasback is a species of diving duck, the largest found in North America. Domestic duck. The domestic duck or domestic mallard is a subspecies of mallard. Lesser whistling duck. The lesser whistling duck, also known as Indian whistling duck. Canvasback. The canvasback is a species of diving duck, the largest found in North America. Mallard. The mallard or wild duck is a dabbling duck. Allosaurus. Allosaurus is a genus of large carnisaurian theropod dinosaur. Turtle. Turtles are an order of reptiles known as testodones. Cheetah. The cheetah is a large cat native to Africa and Southwest. Rooster. The chicken is domesticated jungle fowl species. Frog. A frog is any member of a diverse. Goose. A goose is a bird of any several waterfowl species. Cow. Cattle are important domesticated animals that provide meat and milk. Fox. Foxes are small to medium-sized omnivorous mammals. Hippo. Hippopotamus is a genus of artiodactyl mammals. Giraffe. The giraffe is a large African hoofed mammal. Duck. Duck is the common name for numerous species of waterfowl. Horse. The horse is a domesticated one-toed hoofed mammal. Malign tapir. Malign tapirs communicate with high-pitched squeak and whistles. Triceratops. Triceratops is a genus of herbivorous dinosaur. Wolf. The wolf, also known as the gray wolf or gray wolf, is a large canine native. Lion. The lion is a large cat of genus Panthera. Monkey. Monkey is a common name that may refer to most mammals. Beetles. Beetles are insects that form the order Coleoptera. Walrus. Walrus is a large pinniped marine mammal.